Hello friends, good morning. I am here in Gladesville with Florence. Henley? With Florence. This is her place. It's beautiful. So I sleep. Yeah. Nag-overnight ako in her place because we went to a function. What do you call that? I don't know. Yeah, it's a with a cost. So yeah, so we are here. That's why I sleep over, and she's showing me her beautiful place. She's near to the city. Imagine, city, but there's so much. There's a lot of trees, very green, beautiful, and the houses are very big. And there's a water. My God, this is her background, backyard. Wala.
There's a nice playground there.
This is her backyard. Laki ng backyard. Yung mga houses. Ang gaganda. Oh, logs. Even in the city, you can find like this here. That's the beauty. Even crowded, a bit crowded here, but they still have the sanctuary of like a forest. And they have a very nice playground for the kids. Oh, ang daming sound of ano? Yeah, airplane and birds. Oh, yung ingay na yun, guys.
Doon, merong maliit na forest doon, as you hear the sound.
Hindi. These birds.
Doon, daan tayo doon.
Oh.
Minsan, dyan ako nag-uupo minsan.
Oo nga, ang ganda dito.
Napakinggan ko yung sound ng mga paniki.
Oo.
Paniki pala yun.
Tignan mo, ang ganda Wow. Hindi, ang ganda ng umupo dito ng hapon dahil.
Yeah.
You come here in the afternoon?
Dito talaga yung parang walking place. Yung mga naglalakad na exercise.
Oo. Ang ganda naman. About this one, walkway this.
Yeah, doon yung sa street, hindi dyan, palabas yan.
Oo nga, pero maganda yung bridge. Halika muna.
Dyan sa
Oh, at saka this is the dog, plastic bag.
Yeah.
My God, kompleto.
Bumuni-muni ako pag minsan dyan.
Dito, see the walkway.
Just to get some oxygen.
Yeah. Ay, ang ganda kaya.
May mga gabi. Ano yan? Gabi yata.
Oh, pero hindi ata yung pagkain yan, Day.
Hindi ko lang alam. Ang dami yan dito.
Pero ang sabi nila, yung purple daw ay masarap. Baka pwede sanang discoverin mo, Day. At
one day, pag may makilala.
Oo. The Chinese people ask if you can eat.
Kasi wala ako nakikita ng kukuhin yan eh. Di ba yung yung San Fernando?
Oo. Oh my God, Day. Paki-video mo ako konti.
Okay.
Nandito, dito.
Okay lang.
Baka mahulog.
Hindi mo na igaw.
Oh. My God, ang sarap magmuni-muni naman.
Teka, asan na ba yung video sa
Diyan na, nakauna.
Nakauna to?
Yeah. Did you touch?
Yeah, I didn't touch.
Oh, that's good. It's very nice, and the music.
That's just Rosa. She's in the wilderness.
Wilderness in Henley. Ayan?
In Henley, yeah. Wow. Yeah. In the wilderness. You see you. Yeah. Diba yan yung pang-relax, yung mga sounds ng ibon? Tsaka mag-look ka sa
River Glade Reserve, Hunter's Hill.
Yeah, ano to?
This is Hunter's Hill nga.
Ano to ng Hunter's Hill? Sakop ito ng Hunter's Hill, really? Ito ay suburb ng Hunter's Hill.
Polluted, ito?
Mm.
Oh, kaya yung nauulam.
Hindi ko lang alam.
Yes, kasi I just watched in YouTube that they said that purple is even yummier.
Hindi, yun yung ubi. Ubi yung
No, purple. Taro.
Ang ganda, no? Yung taro nga. Yung taro yun ang alam ko eh.
Oh, taro nga ito.
Pag violet yung
Sanga, yung
sanga,
mga...
taro
oh.
yun. Pero siguro lang yan, hindi lang si alam ng mga Australiano.
Kaya nga, i-discoverihin mo kasi ang laking pagkain yun. Ay, oo nga, bats. Bats pala. My God, they're bats. Imagine this. Ang daming
I
bats.
forgot my phone there.
Kunin mo na lang. Baka mawala. Puro bats pa lang mga to eh. Oh my God, those are bats. But ang dami. Why? Nagiging piste na sila. Di ba magiging piste na sila, Day? Piste. Bakit may ilaw? Bakit may ilaw naka ano ka? Yung ilaw yung ano? Oh my, ang daming ano hanggang doon. See, rainforest. Oo. Oh my God, ang ganda. Ang ganda dahil hang on. Oh, this one. River Glade Reserve. Okay. Hunter's Hill. And those are the bats. Oh my God. Tignan mo yung mga bats, Day. Ang dami. No, let's go na, Day. Are you going? Ha? Wala naman akong wala naman akong wow, very nice. Oh my God, ang ganda kahit dito sa loob ng syudad.
Nilalagyan pa dito ng tae dog.
Mga ano, yung
Tayo ng aso.
Yung plastic, yung plastic bag ng the sky is so beautiful.
Nag-charge ba yung phone?
Oh, yeah, kasi meron naman na.
Puno, hindi.
Puno ata. Hindi ko na-check na eh.
Nag-work pala yung ano. Sabi ko yun eh.
Oh, mga birds, wildlife. Oh my God.
Dito meron ditong ano.
Alam mo ba yung pinunta na namin sa Mount Kaputarday? Ang daming ano. Merong goat.
Ito yung
Wild goat doon.
Yung ba na-express ako dito ako maupo eh. Tunog na mga humilang ng paniki. Ano ba yung isang paniki? Flying fox.
Oo. See, ang dami.
Tingnan mo yung mga puno at nakalukong yung bat sila doon.
Yun na nga puro bats na. Di ba pang piste na rin ang mga yan eh.
Hindi lang kasi kung pistiyan dito yung papatayin nila yun.
Yeah, bakit?
Ayun o, yung mga itim-itim na yun.
Oh yeah, it's true.
Ayun o, nakabitin sila.
Oo nga, ngayon ko lang nakita ulit ang mga bats. May mga ganyan din unang panahon sa amin.
Akala mo siya bunga, mga paniki na nakalukong.
Oo. They sleep at night time.
Yeah.
I no, they're awake at night time. Why they're awake now?
Maybe they are tired.
Oo, Day.
Peri dito.
Oh, Day, ito lang yung pindutin mo dito. Naka-record ito.
Oo.
Pero pindutin mo lang yan para mapicture ako.
Oo, sige.
Yan.
Full body?
Kahit hindi kasi, ang pangit mo.
Yung malayo na. Oh. Tika, kunin ko pa ng isa. Yung whole body naman. Ay, wag na.
Nagbabalik-balik tanda yan. Okay, let's go. Okay, so that's the of the bats. Their home. Oh, may mga tayo ng aso. Oh, dito na lang muna, Day. Sandali. Okay. So we'll just in up here now, friends, because this is a 20 minutes walk. So I'll make another one. Thank you, Florence, for taking me here. Okay, bye.